Hello and welcome to Fix and Drive. Today I will show you how to change the upstream and downstream O2 sensors on a Honda S2000. The O2 sensors should be changed every 100,000 miles or when needed. So let's get started. For this project, I will be using the Denso O2 sensors. I marked the box Upstream up, and here's the part number. And I marked the Downstream box down, and here's the part number. I'll also be testing an O2 sensor removal tool that I picked up on Amazon. You use a 3/8 inch socket wrench or breaker bar to attach it. Links for these parts will be in the description below. First, I will be removing the upstream sensor from the box to inspect it. You will notice that the upstream sensor has a male connector. And the downstream connector is female. And the upstream sensor contains copper anti-seize lubricant. So let's get them installed. First, the car will need to be lifted. There is a link in the upper right corner showing how to lift the S2000. Here is the downstream O2 sensor attached to the catalytic converter, and here's the upstream sensor connected to the header. If you follow the sensor wire, you will see the wire runs over the transmission and on the connectors on the driver's side of the transmission. Using long needle nose pliers, gently pinch the release tab of the connector and pull down. This will disconnect the downstream connector. On the passenger side of the transmission, there is a harness on a bracket that holds the wires. Mine broke off and zip ties were used. I cut the zip ties with some snips. Once I have the zip tie snip, I pull the wires down. I pull the wire to the downstream so that it's hanging. And you can look and see the female connector. Now I will try the O2 sensor tool. First, we will need to connect a 3/8 ratchet. Slide the wire through the opening. Line up the tool with the bolt and loosen the O2 sensor. Move it by hand the rest of the way. You can see it's pretty dirty. Grabbing the downstream box, remove the O2 sensor, and here's the part number, and add a little bit of anti-seize lubricant to the threads. Line up the threads and screw the sensor on by hand. Then, using the tool, tighten down the sensor. If you have a torque wrench, you can torque this to 33 foot-pounds. Next, run the new wire over the transmission. Then grab the connector and connect it to the lower connection or connector. Make sure you hear it click in or feel it click in. Now to disconnect the upstream connector. Using long needle nose pliers, gently pinch the release tab and slide off the connector. Okay, once that's connected, the connector for the sensor will be connected to a metal bracket. If you pinch the end of the metal tab against the connector should slide off. Pull the wire over the transmission and let it hang. The sensor was on pretty tight, so I sprayed some PB Blaster on it. I realized that the O2 sensor removal tool will not fit to remove the upstream sensor. Use a 22 millimeter crescent wrench to remove the sensor. I did not have a 22 millimeter crescent wrench and used a 23 millimeter. It wound up stripping the bolt. I ended up using some locking pliers and a pipe to break the sensor loose. I used the crescent wrench to loosen it some more. And then I loosened it by hand the rest of the way. And this is what an O2 sensor looks like with 268,000 miles on it. And here is the new sensor. Check to make sure it has the male connector. And the box is marked up. Here's the part number again. Now I'm going to add some copper anti-seize lubricant to the threads, just a little bit. Then line up the threads and screw on by hand. And then tighten with a 22 millimeter crescent wrench. And if you can, torque it down to 33 foot-pounds. Run the wire over the transmission. Slide the connector onto the metal bracket. Then connect the connector to the car to the Upstream connection. I will use zip ties to harness the two wires to the metal bracket on the passenger side of the transmission. And then you're good to go. Okay, that is how you change the O2 sensors on a Honda S2000. It's fairly simple if you just take your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you, stay safe, and God bless.